In today's video I am going to show you one trick that will make you less hungry, more healthy and more fit. That trick is: take a 20 minutes break while eating. Now we all know the feeling of hunger. Feeling so hungry that we want to eat a whole turkey, and after that, we know the feeling of overeating. Regretting what we did and wished we had eaten a little less. But if we were to start eating a meal and then in the middle of the meal, we would have a 20 minutes break, you can find yourself feeling full and even not wanting to eat more after that 20 minutes break. You may ask, why are these 20 minutes so important? The answer is simple. Your body needs time to adjust to the intake of food and give you the response that you do not need more food or need a little. There are two chemicals that play a vital role in this regard. Those two chemicals are leptin and ghrelin. When we feel hungry is because there is more ghrelin produced by the stomach. This production of ghrelin starts when the stomach is empty. And the stomach produces ghrelin, which signals the brain that it needs to eat, and then we feel hungry. The opposite happens with leptin. Leptin mainly acts on your brainstem and hypothalamus to regulate hunger and energy balance, though you have leptin receptors in other areas of your body. When the food intake is satisfactory, the body fat or the adipose tissue which produces leptin starts producing leptin, and then you do not feel hunger anymore. And that is how our body makes us feel hungry or full. But to do that, it needs that 20 minutes break in order for the body and brain to process the intake of the food into messages and chemicals that signals our body to feel hungry or full. That is all for today. Hope this helps you. And share this information to your friends who you think this information will help them.